What happened when I opened that tailgate, I was not expecting that reaction. As promised, I'm going to show you that cool epoxy river vanity installation. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'm going to link that video right here, so go ahead and watch that now. It pretty much went as planned, but I'll tell you all about it. So recently, as you know, I was commissioned by a friend of mine to make them a concrete vanity for their bathroom. Now, they gave me some parameters of what they wanted, but in the end, they wanted me to put my own special spin on it and surprise them. Now, if you follow the channel and if you follow me on Instagram, I was documenting kind of my progress along the way. So Joe was kind of watching this progress and he didn't have anything bad to say at the time, so I felt like I should move forward. Now, his wife Maria, she did not want to see it. She wanted to be surprised, which was fun and scary at the same time, but onward the project went. And day of installation comes, I show up at Joe's house, and I wasn't looking for a strong reaction from Joe because Joe's never really been that type. He's very hard to impress, but I sent him pictures, he said he loved it, so right now I just wanted to get some film of the installation before Maria showed up. So with pickup trucks, it's always cool to set the camera in the bed of the truck, close the truck. Now we act like we're opening the truck and you're kind of seeing through the eyes of the project, so to speak. So I tell Joe, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna open up the tailgate, we're gonna act like we're taking it away, and then we're gonna set it back down and I'm gonna shut the camera off. So Joe does what I ask him to do. We open the tailgate up, we lift the project up, we act like we're gonna take it away to go install it, and we put it back down on the tailgate. I turn off the camera and Joe actually gets to see the vanity top for the first time in person, up close.
Oh, Mike, that's pretty good.
You promise you like it? At this point, he has no idea the camera's still on, so I let it roll.
Pretty good. That's really fucking good.
Are you serious?
That's pretty fucking good, dude.
That's your actual honest reaction?
That's pretty good. That's pretty fucking good.
So, what am I feeling at this point? That's the reaction I wanted.
That's pretty good, dude.
Elation. This is the first time he's seen it up close. I wasn't expecting that reaction.
That's pretty good.
I am so relieved that not only did he like it, but that he liked it so much. So now that I can relax, we can carry on with the installation and now worry about Maria's reaction. So we carry the vanity into the bathroom, we prep for installation, we go ahead and lay down some rapid set flexible construction adhesive and just a couple of dabs here and there. You don't need a whole lot. That top's not going anywhere. We went ahead and put a bead of caulk around the bowl. We carefully placed it on top of the concrete vanity. We installed the very cool faucet that they got specially for this project. I let Joe handle the plumbing because I'm not a plumber. I can flush a toilet all day, but that's about it. At this point, Maria comes home with the girls.
Yeah.
So now I'm getting nervous again.
Mommy needs
They're
you.
coming. They're coming. They're coming.
Let's go see. I love it. Oh
I
my gosh,
love
it's even
it.
better than what I thought.
I love it.
You promise?
Love it. I really love it. This is awesome. Look, Evelyn, it matches your crown.
Yeah, there's Plymouth.
I love it. This is awesome.
And look at the sink.
Thank you so much.
All right. The best part about this whole project is that every time that Joe goes to the bathroom, he's gonna think about me. So again, I'm very pleased with this reaction, and I couldn't be happier. So Joe and Maria, thank you so much for letting me be a part of this project and letting me do this for you. I had a lot of fun. So that's it, and hey, thanks for watching this video.